Hey everybody, welcome back. We'll continue building the Tamiya TC-01 Formula E kit. And today we're going to be working on the rear arms. And the rear arm is going to be very similar to the front arms. We're going to start by dropping those nuts into the chassis. And of course we're going to fasten them with a little bit of shoe glue. Remember, the blue sides of the nut face each other. Away from the screw. And make sure they both seat inside the bottom of the chassis. All right, next we're going to start assembling the screws here, and we're going to need D4, and the other D4s are in the second bag of D parts. Alrighty, let's continue over here. That is the 15mm screw. And this time you only need one of the thin washers, which I have over here. They are sitting over here. And again, we're going to, that's the screw hole, and that's the index for this hole. And you can see seats like that. And I'm just going to use all right, let's do the other side. Okay, and next we're going to start assembling the arms. First I'm going to start using this handle right here. Okay, so let's build these arms, left and right. Start on the outside. We're going to need the suspension balls, and as we figured out yesterday, they go from the bottom. And just take a pair of pliers, needle nose pliers, and I'm not going to say gently because it's not gentle at all, but they do go in. Here's a nice snap. All right. And this time there's going to be 2 set screws, so the ball stud is going to be offset, and the front ones, the ball studs are onto 1 set screw. This time it's on 2 individual ones. So I'm going to say it's these ones right here. So this way we're going to do the outside. And there is a washer. It looks like it's going to be plastic. Oh no, A17. Okay, so the A tree is right here. Let's see, we're going to need 2. A17 is going to be these 2 right there. Put this on. And we figured out yesterday that this works perfectly. There's that. And let's do this side. And next, there is a troop screw right here. And let's take advantage of this Tamiya kit I have here. How far is sticking out on the other side when I set this onto a setup station. And then last part is to put the rod and then the 2 washers on each side, and then the D4 again. Right, set that aside. And I'm going to do the other side. Again, I'm going to start on the outside and put on the suspension ball. Okay, now we're ready to set them into the chassis. So we're going to be doing that right there, and first thing I'm going to do is drop the 2 nuts in there. Okay, so these are all going to go upside down. So this is going to go on this side. I know that because the grip screw is right here on the front. Actually, this is the rear of the car. So it's going to go like that. And we're going to need 1 big washer and 1 small washer on the other side. And that long screw again. There we go. There's the big washer. And I'm going to thread it through this right here. And then a thin washer. So this end of the rod is going to seat into there. And then the end of this screw is going to go to there. Hold it like that. And thread that through. Looks like I have it. All of the arms should move freely. Okay. There we go. We have steps 5, 6, and 7 done. Let's see what's ahead. So the next part is going to be the electronics. So I'm going to do that in the next video. Today we install the rear arms and we have the front and rear arms ready to go. So I'm going to call the video right here. If you got anything out of it, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.